Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Maytag washer F5E3 error code in 2026. So this particular error code usually means that there is a door lock malfunction preventing the washer from operating safely. So in order to fix it, you need to start by unplugging the washer or shutting off the breaker for about 2 to 5 minutes. This can clear the temporary control board glitches, and it can also reset the door lock system if the error was caused by a software issue. Now the second thing that you need to do here is to make sure that the washer's door is fully closed and nothing is blocking the latch. You can just simply inspect the latch area for detergent residue, clothing obstructions, or visible damage that may prevent the proper locking. Now, the door lock mechanism itself may be worn or malfunctioning. So, if the lock fails to engage or if released properly, the control board may trigger the F5E3 error code for safety reasons. Now, after doing so, you can also check for the accessible wiring between the door lock assembly and the main control board for loose connectors, corrosion, or damaged wires. So, if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.